Welcome to the weekly certification tutorial for the MyBenefits Portal. On the Welcome page, click on the Certify Weekly Benefits link under the Action Required box on the left-hand side. Review the list of reminders before clicking on Next to continue. You will be asked to confirm the week you are filing a claim for and if you ended a job or completed an on-call or temporary job assignment. Click Next to continue. On the certification page, you will be asked a series of questions pertaining to the week you are filing a claim for. Review each question carefully and answer them correctly. Once you have answered all questions on the page, click on Next to continue. On the summary page, you will find all of your saved responses. Verify the answers provided before clicking on Next to continue. Review the statements provided to acknowledge your agreement of them and click on Submit. You have successfully filed your weekly claim. This confirmation page displays your successful submission of the weekly claim, your confirmation number, and status updates regarding any delayed payment issues. Click on Certify My Next Available Week to file for another weekly claim, if applicable.